Hey there guys, now the Ferrari Fxx K is doing really well. We sprayed the first coat of the white, we don't need to do any more. Boom, here she is. Oh yes. So now it's going to be, hang on, if I put you guys down like so. Come on. So we're going to spray it neon purple. Right now, let's go. Also in today's video, now that we've got the base coat all sprayed, we need to go to the library to print off the design so that we can structure the design and make it more easier for myself. Yeah. Okay then guys, so we have the design. All we need to do now is actually put the design on the wall. Let's get to it. So then guys, so if I grab the actual model, so this is the car now. This is the car that we're working on in this video and the videos to come. So we're going to do a similar thing that we did with the Audi, is that we're going to start with the top part of the car. So this is a base coat, then it'll be that stage right there, then this stage, then this one, etc. So that's the plan with this car. So next video we're going to mask the first stage of the design. See you in the next.